Hi guys, I hope you're doing well. Welcome to my channel. In this clip I want to introduce a package for having a cartoony shader for our 3D models. Okay, so let's take a look at this package over here. Surromin released this package 5 years ago. It is called Unity Toon Shader. In here you just need to download the zip file and just import the assets folder into your projects folder. After that we can take a look at this Unity Toon shader folder here, which has scenes folder, and there is two different sample scenes. First, take a look at the first one. Okay, this is the example object, but in fact this is gonna be interesting if I show you how it was in the past. It was like this. Look at this. But with this shader, cartoony shader, look at this. It is truly beautiful and it exactly look like the animes or cartoons. Excellent. And as you can see, we can change the textures of each one and a specular color or rim colors. For example, if I do something like green or something, oh, it's gonna be, oh yeah, it's over here. Okay, so let's take a look at this side as well. This is different scene, different objects with different shaders over here. Look at this. It is Toon. It is Toon Shadow Texture Multi Steps. It was to be here. I lost it. Yeah, Toon Shadow Texture 2 steps. Or for example, for this guy, it is Toon Basic Multi Steps. Over here, yeah, this is it, yeah. Basic or shadow texture. For example, the basic we have multi-steps or 2 steps. If we take a look at this guy, look at this, it's almost, yeah, it's at what brighter than this guy. Or for this one, we can say Toon shadow texture multi-step. Look at this, it is different. Now it is brighter. Okay, I hope this video will be helpful for you. Don't hesitate to ask any question related to Unity, AR, VR, and XR. Subscribe my channel and like this video if you like it. Have a great time. Bye bye.